Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on removing a saved credit card or debit card from your PlayStation 4. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the dashboard of PS4, go up to the control panel and swipe to the right until you get to Settings and open them. In Settings, select Account Management. Next, select Account Information. On the next page, select Wallet. Now click Payment Methods. On the next page, you will need to enter your account password to continue. Select the payment method you want to remove. Then click Delete on the next page. Select Yes to confirm. That credit card has now been removed from your PlayStation account and PS4. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more PlayStation tips and tricks.